Hi everyone! Hello! We are here to talk to you about our brand new VIP Pattern Club for 2023. And the crowd goes mad. So the VIP Pattern Club, if you don't know, is a special membership for our biggest fans because you get lots of extra treats, you get early access to everything we do. It's a very exciting community to be part of, and it is only £10 per year, which is such a bargain, and we're gonna tell you how much of a bargain that is because the things that you get for the membership are amazing. So over to you, Rosie. What will the 2023 VIPs get?
Well, it's bigger and better than before this year. It's a big year for VIP Club. So the first thing, if you haven't been a part of VIP Club before, you might not know that you get a free PDF pattern of your choice, completely free, so anything from our archives.
That's so good because
Hundreds.
basically our patterns start at £11.
Already you're getting
a
little bargain.
A bargain.
Along with that, with the patterns that we release over the next year, you will get 10% off those for a limited time, so you get a cheeky extra bonus, and you'll find out about those releases before anyone else.
Which is really good because it means if we are bringing out fabrics that we've made the samples in, and you basically you'll get access to those fabrics before anyone else, and sometimes they do sell out when our VIPers have kind of bought it all up. So yeah, another reason to join.
Very handy.
You'll also be ahead of the game on all our sales as well. So there's 2 things on sale. So not only do you get an extra 2 special sales for VIP Club members only, but also when we have a general sale, a summer sale, or Black Friday, something like that, we'll let you guys know ahead of time when it's going to start. And then you can kind of be looking around on the site, seeing what you might get, eyeing up some fabric, get it in your basket first. So lots of early notice of everything that we're doing. You'll also get access to an exclusive Facebook group, which is a lovely community of people where you can chat about your makes. Obviously, we have a gang of pattern insiders that make our patterns up and show them off when they're first released, and they always post their makes there first. So again, you'll be the first to see everything.
And I think if you're super big fans of So Over It, it's like the nicest group to be in, because we obviously have our makers group, but that's just open to everybody. And the people that know So Over It really well and have loads of their patterns and love it, they're in that group. So you've got that nice kind
focus.
of nice
really
community
nice.
where you know other people will, if you'll be making something else and you could go, I'm making this, people in the community will know they've made it already, or they can share
and
that.
there's advice being shared all the
Yeah,
time. Like,
it's
I
really
have this
nice.
fabric. Which So Over It pattern should I make in this? Like, it's really interactive and really lovely.
And nice to feel a bit special. I
Yes,
think.
definitely. And the final thing.
The big reveal for VIP Club 2023 is not only do you get all of those great things, is that you also get a brand new exclusive VIP Club pattern, which is the Selena Skirt.
Ta-da!
We're all wearing them and loving them.
So this is a bias cut skirt pattern. It's obviously in our size range from 6 to 30. It is super simple but so flattering. You'll see a lot of bias cut skirts are out there actually in the shops at the moment, and we felt like we often don't copy trends and things like that, but we thought actually we want to provide you with every type of skirt that there is, and this is a really lovely, easy to make and easy to fit skirt because it's on the bias. So it's literally this front and back. There are no zips. There's just a really narrow elasticated waist, and it's perfect for satin or crepe. So we've got satin on, Rosie's got crepe. You can see it looks lovely in a print, it looks lovely in plain.
Pretty.
Great with a chunky jumper in the winter. We're obviously filming this in December, so we've got wintry outfits on. So I'm wearing it with the Edie, Rosie's got it on with a t-shirt and then a kind of knotted cardi, and then Alma's got it on with the pussy bow blouse. But I think in the summer, we've also got it on with tights, which you probably can't see, but in the summer, I will be so wearing this with a t-shirt and trainers. It's just great. And I think
sandals and a camisole.
Yeah, absolutely.
I know I'm speedy, but it took me an hour.
No time. No time.
It's
An hour.
so quick.
Like so quick, and also quick to cut out as well.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
2 pieces.
Wonderful. But you can't get it unless
you join the VIP Club for 2023. No one else can get their hands on it. And And also in the instructions, we've put in, we've shown you how to do French seams. So it's
Just make it
Yes.
classy.
a very classy finish
Yes,
for a
yes,
maid.
yes.
And because the skirt doesn't take long, I feel like it's the right project to go, I will do French
Yeah,
seams
it's
on
just,
it.
exactly, and it's straight. It's quite,
Do
it's
straight
very easy.
seams.
It's
Yeah.
worth it. Yeah,
It is worth
definitely.
it. It looks so lovely on the inside as well. But yeah, so we've said the Selena skirt, sizes 6 to 30, the fabrics, the excitement of everything you can wear it with, and we've told you all of the amazing perks that you can get with the VIP membership.
Which we will summarise in the description
Oh,
box
yeah,
because
of
it's quite
course.
a lot. So if you just want to be able to do that, and obviously we'll also put a link to the VIP club page so you can just go and see it all there in a bit more detail as well.
And really, it's a no-brainer. You get so much with
Yeah,
it.
if you've
Like,
got,
it's
if you've got
brilliant.
your, even if you've just got your eye on one of our patterns at the moment, it's worth
It's still
buying.
worth it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because
It's just
then
£10.
you're
which
going
is
to
less
get the
than
pattern you want. Then you're also going to get this skirt. Then you're also going to get 10% off things, and in the Facebook group, and early access, and special sales.
I'm exhausted just listening to that.
quite-
It's amazing.
yeah,
It's
quite
a great
impressed I
deal.
managed to remember it all.
Yeah, very, very good. But yeah, we would love to see as many of you as possible join in the VIP club in 2023. So find the link below, find out more about it, read all the details, and pop it in your basket.
No pressure.
No pressure.
We'll see you soon.
Bye.